guys. I have to do that all the way again because I thought I was recording and I wasn't. But today is Aunt Colleen's birthday and I'm going to make her secret breakfast and coffee, and then I'm going to give her present, and I think we got a couple places to go later. So today should be exciting. I love birthdays. Like this video if you love birthdays. We've got hash browns, and we've got bacon over here. Bacon, extra crispy. And then we've got omelets, mushrooms, and provolone. Yep. That just happened. I'm uploading the vlog, and my internet cut out. Great. I'm troubleshooting to see what happened because I have no idea what just happened. And my room is a mess because I'm cleaning and organizing. I've got a lot of craft stuff and not a lot of places to put it. So we'll see what happens with that. And I have to clean my desk off. Look at this. Look at this mess. Pepsi cans everywhere. The life of a vlogger. Oh, jeez. And yeah, big mess. Big mess. I don't know if you can see him, but he's right behind the curtain. Oh, he just moved. Right when I turned the camera on. He was standing there right behind the curtain, just peeking into my room. And he was standing there for like 10 minutes. And of course, the second I turn the camera on, he runs. And I don't know, he was just staring at me for like 10 minutes. I was calling him into the room and he wouldn't come, and he was just staring at me, staring at me. It was creepy, guys. Creepy. Okay. So we just left the gym, and we just signed up, and I really like this gym. Down here in, what's this area again?
The waterfront.
Waterfront. I was going to say Waterworks. Waterfront. And I really like it. It's called Crunch Fitness. And they have this line of machines that you work out on. And it's like a circuit, you know, for like circuit training. And they work your entire body. You don't need a trainer. These machines are the trainer. They are awesome. I am really excited about this. And Crunch is pretty much everywhere, I guess, in the United States. But if you are in the waterfront area in Pittsburgh, Crunch Fitness is right on top of the DXL men's apparel. Go there. It is great. So we just got home. Now I bought dinner for everybody. I bought Panera, and I'm having the Asian sesame chicken salad and half of a chicken fontina panini. And it is really, really good. So we are gonna eat and relax, and I'm gonna put the decorations on the Christmas tree. So this is the first round of ornaments. These are my ornaments that I've had since I was a kid. They are by Hallmark, and they are the Puppy Love series. And they're just so cute. I love them. Each ornament came out on a different year, starting the year of my birthday. Can't see that. So this one was in 2009. These have to go on here.
The silent stars go by, yet in thy child of Bethlehem, descended to us, we pray.
Hey, so I have this to clean. Look at all this. All this I have to clean before I go to bed. And it's 11 o'clock and I still have to edit the vlog. So there's that. But I'm just sitting here, and since we're getting closer and closer to Christmas, I am working on getting things ready for the Christmas special. Yes, there's going to be a Christmas special. And it's going to be exciting. There's going to be lots of music, and I hope you enjoy it. And so I think I'm going to say goodnight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Taz.